chicken and barley soup just for one person. Take 1 cup, take some barley, pearl barley, just half fill the cup, put it in your pan, and we're going to wash that. Put the barley into the pan on the heat. Every now and again give it a stir with a fork just to make sure that it's not sticking to the bottom of the pan. Peel 2 carrots, 2 large carrots. The barley's been cooking for half an hour, so now we're going to add the diced carrots. Stir that in and leave that for another half an hour. That's been simmering away for half an hour now, and then we're going to add our chicken. Just stir that in, and again let that cook for a further half hour, and then we'll check it. Just to check that it's all ready, we need to know that the carrots are soft, and checking the barley, it needs to be nice white fluffy, and if you grab the barley and just lightly press it between your fingers and it just breaks away, then I would say that it's ready to add our chicken stock cubes. So we're adding 1.5 chicken stock cubes, and this is approximately about 10 minutes before we're going to put this and serve this out. 1.5. Stir that in. We'll lower the temperature, we let that simmer for another 10 minutes, and then we can dish that out. To finish off, nice sprinkle parsley. It's our chicken soup, chicken and barley soup for 1.